Enovate marque. Zhejiang Dianka Automobile Technology Company Limited, trading as Enovate or originally Dearcc, is an automobile manufacturing company headquartered in Zhejiang. Founded on June 23, 2015, company launched two models called the Dearcc EV10 and Enovate MS7 with an all-electric range of up to 155 km 96 mi. History: June 23, 2015, Zhejiang Dianka Automobile Technology Company Limited founded. November 17, 2017, Dearcc EV10 electric city car launched in the market. April 3, 2018, construction for the production base in Zhejiang started. July 7, 2018, sales of the range extended version of the Dearcc EV10, the EV10 Pro 300, started in Shanghai. Models and products: Dearcc EV10, Enovate MS5, Enovate MS7, Enovate MS concept,